Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Asana for task tracking and task management. So let's get right into it. As you can see on my screen right now, I have an example of an Asana project, which is what your project will most likely look like. Now, this is just a table with some tasks that I have filled out. It really doesn't matter what it is, but let me just take you through the process and create a new project by clicking the plus next to a new project. Just click new project. I'll select a blank one. Just select tutorial number 2 and I'll create a list. Why not? Make it into my workspace. Click create project, and now I have a blank project with which I can play around with. Now, as you can see, you can just add tasks like this, or you can add different sections. For example, section 1, and you can add another one, section 2, and this is easy just to differentiate which tasks are for which process. Now, under the section that you want, you just click on add a task, then you write a name, then you add an assignee. In your case, it might be you. If you're doing tasks for yourself, then you need to assign a due date for yourself. In this case, let's say the 10th of September. And then you can add other fields if you want to. You can add time tracking to see how long it should take for you. You can add people, you can add text, you can add a number. For example, if you need a specific budget, you can set up your format with decimal places, and you can set up your currency as well. You can enter the title, for example, budget, and then just click create a field, and now you can enter however much money you would need. For example, 100 euros, estimated time for the task at hand, 30 minutes, and then here you can enter manually however long it took you, or you can just start a timer which needs to run for at least 30 seconds. But pretty much this is all you need to know. This is how you make tasks in Asana, and then the rest is up to you and to holding yourself accountable. I wish you luck, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.